Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Microsoft 365 files with OneDrive retention, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you are signed into your Microsoft 365 account. Open OneDrive by navigating to the OneDrive website or using the app on your device. Select the files or folders you want to backup. Right-click on your selection and choose the download option to save them locally. Next, open the OneDrive app on your computer. Drag and drop the downloaded files into the OneDrive folder. Alternatively, click Upload in the OneDrive interface to select files from your computer. Once your files are in OneDrive, you can configure retention settings. Go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click on Compliance in the left navigation pane. Under Data Lifecycle Management, select Retention. Click on Create to set up a new retention policy. Choose whether the policy applies to all users or specific groups. Define the duration for which files will be retained, either for a set number of days or indefinitely. Review your settings and confirm by clicking Create. After saving, return to your OneDrive files to ensure the retention policy is active. You can check the retention settings by right-clicking on any file and selecting Details. Here you will see the retention period applied to the file. Monitor your OneDrive storage regularly to manage space efficiently. Consider using version history to recover previous versions of files. Lastly, ensure your admin has enabled retention for your organization to protect against accidental deletions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.